Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to add a hyperlink to a PDF file without using Adobe Acrobat. First, open photopea.com and open your PDF. After that, locate the word or the text you want to add the hyperlink to it and change its style so it appears like a link by changing its color and underlining it. Now let's add the hyperlink. Select the slice tool from here and select the clickable zone. Right click on this zone and click on slice options. Give it a name, the URL and click OK. After that, you need to export this PDF containing the new hyperlink. Click Save. And now let's see the result. Here is the PDF, let's try the hyperlink. And yeah, it works successfully. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.